Hello guys, welcome back to SES Ltd Deals. If you're new here, subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos. I'm back with another review and this time I'm going to review AIDOL Studio. AIDOL Studio is a studio or a video editor or an AI video platform that lets you create videos with humans, but they are not actual humans. The humans are avatars. As you can see on this left side, these are some of the avatars. So by creating videos with avatars, you can get a lot of advantages, and one of them is that you do not have to hire real humans, and this is going to save a lot of your money. On the other hand, it is super easy to make videos with AIDOL Studio, so you can make a lot of videos for your business, for any other purposes, but the time it requires is not going to be long at all. And AIDOL Studio has a lot of other features that you will not get in the popular AI video platforms such as Synthesia, Pipio and DeepBrain. So let's have a look at some of the features. So as you can see, the first feature is diversified digital humans, which means there are so many avatars on AIDOL Studio's platform and they have different ages, genders and racial groups. As a result, you can choose the perfect avatar according to the message of your video. Then there is the multiple built-in languages, which means you can make videos in different languages other than just English. There are also various templates, which means you do not have to design your videos to convey a specific message. The designing is not required because there are already some templates, and the best part is you can even customize these templates. Then there is the premium media library, from where you can add stock video, stock image and even stock audio. And as you can see, making videos with AIDOL Studio is super easy. You just have to choose a digital human, which means avatar, and then a template, and then add your script and you will get your output, which means the video. A great news is AIDOL Studio is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal, which means by paying only $19 you can get lifetime access to AIDOL Studio, and the regular pricing is $500, which means the Appsumo deal is saving $481 of your money. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, make sure you check the link in the description. And as you can see, this is an alternative to DeepBrain, Hour1 and Synthesia. Now let's have a look at the features of this Appsumo deal. So as you can see, you can import from PDF, you can have access to unlimited templates and you can also customize them. There are unlimited languages, accents, dialects in over 29 languages, and a great feature is AIDOL Studio even supports subtitle adding. So these are some of the tiers. The tier 1 costs $19 with 10 minutes of videos per month. The tier 2 costs $49 with 30 minutes of video per month, and the tier 3 costs $149 with 60 minutes of video per month. There are also some other tiers, such as the tier 5 is the highest one. It costs $299 and the video limit per month is 150 minutes. AIDOL Studio is also available on a subscription plan. So these are the yearly plans and there are also a monthly plan, and as you can see, these are the prices of the monthly plan and these are the features. After you log into AIDOL Studio, you will get this dashboard, and as you can see from here, you can start with a digital human, which means an avatar. You can also start with a template. There is some other features such as text to video, which means it is going to turn your script into a video. You can also import PDF, and if you are lacking ideas, you can also get ideas by the AI of AIDOL Studio. So let's start with digital human, and as you can see, these are the AI humans or digital humans offered by AIDOL Studio. So if you want to try any of them, you can do that by simply clicking on this preview button.
I am one of the digital human created by Pantheon Lab. We come with high flexibility.
So let's see another one.
I am one of the digital human created by Pantheon Lab. We come with
so
high
overall, I
flexibility.
think the AI humans seem pretty okay. The lip sync is not perfect, but the overall appearance seem quite good. So let's choose one. Let's choose this one. And as you can see, now we are in the editor, video editor of AIDOL Studio. So this is the avatar we have chosen, and this is our video timeline. And a great thing about this timeline is that from here you can add a new scene. So as you can see, the video was about 4 seconds, but now it has went to 10 seconds. So this way you can add a lot of scenes to your videos. So after this digital humans tab, we can go to the script and actions. From here you can first add a script. So let's add our script, and other than script, you you can also add action to your avatar, which is an amazing feature that you will not get on other AI video creators. So let me show you that. So you can add three types of different things. Obviously you can add another script, you can also add break time, and you can add action. So let's see these actions. So as you can see, one action has been added, and let's drag our script to the top because I want my script to be read first and then I want this action to appear. So what kind of actions you can add? Let's see them. So you can add the clapping, you can add clench hand, you can add crossed arm. So let's add this clapping, and then you can select the language, the gender, and the voice. So let's select English Canada, and the gender is male. You can also select the person name.
Welcome to Pantheon Lab.
You can also set the speed and pitch. So once your script is ready, just click on generate. So the script has been generated. Now let's see.
Welcome, everyone. I'm thrilled to have you here today.
So as you can see, the script has been added and the voiceover is also quite good. So if I play this script on this video editor, you can see the avatar is not really moving. It is because on the left side you can see the lip sync is currently only available in preview, which means you can only preview the lip sync from these preview options. So if you want to check the lip sync of this avatar, you just have to click on this and
Lucas.
Check out this one.
I am one of the digital human created by Pantheon Lab.
But this feature is not available on this video editor. However, when you export your video, you can get the full result, which means you will see the script is merged into your digital human and the lip sync is going to be available after exporting. So back to the script tab, you can also see when I preview this,
welcome,
a subtitle is also appearing.
I'm thrilled to have you here.
And let's see if the action appears or not
Here today.
So as you can see, after he says I am thrilled to have you here today, the avatar starts clapping, which means the script is first and the last one is the action. So far AIDOL Studio is doing pretty well, and there is another section which is settings. So from here you can change the subtitle settings, you can also change the volume, and for subtitle there are many options such as you can change the font, the size, the line height, spacing. You can also change some details such as text, background color, radius, and drop shadow. The next section is designing section. So from here you can add the templates, as I have talked about them earlier. So there are commerce templates, development templates, financial templates. So you can simply add them by clicking on them. So as you can see, there are so many layouts for this financial rainbow template, and all you have to do is just paste your script into this template and your video will be ready in no time. There are also media options. So from here you can add stock video, stock images, stock GIF, and sticker to your videos. So let's add a stock image. Let's add this one. As you can see, the image has been added to the background of your video. You can also add background color, add shapes, and you can even upload your own material and then import that to your video. The next section is audio. From here you can add stock audio to your video. You can also upload your own audio, and there are even some audio settings that are going to be available after you upload your own audio or select one from the stock media. You can also add branding to your videos, and there is another option which is called favorite layout. So from here you can see all the layouts that you have made favorite earlier from template section. So once again, let's preview this video.
Welcome everyone, I'm thrilled to have you here today.
So as you can see, the lip sync is obviously not available on the video editor, but after you export from this export option, you are going to see the lip sync properly. But other than that, the script is perfect with the voiceover. The action of clapping is also really good. So overall, I think AIDOL Studio has done a pretty good job. So overall, AIDOL Studio is a great AI video creator. It has a lot of diversified actors, which means digital humans. It also has a lot of features that you will not get on other AI video creators. Some of those features are adding subtitle to your video, adding different actions to your AI avatar, and so on. So if you want to buy this Appsumo deal, check the link in the description below, and these are all the features that you will get with the Appsumo deal, and these are some of the tiers. So there are tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, 4, and 5. So that's it for our today's video. If you have enjoyed this video, like this video and subscribe to our channel, and let me know what you think about AIDOL Studio, how it is going to compare between other tools such as Synthesia, DeepBrain, Pipio. So stay tuned for our next video. Goodbye.